Hello, this is How To Not To, and in this video I'll be doing a drain and spin in the Wash 500 Hoover wash machine. So I'm just going to turn the dial to drain and spin. Unlock it. You need to press these two buttons here, the temperature button and the spin button, for 3 seconds. And I think that's locked it actually. Hasn't that locked it? So to undo it, just press it again. So to unlock, to activate.
To put the thing on lock.
No. To activate the child lock, what you need to do is press the temperature button at the top and the spin button at the same time for 3 seconds. And now, as you can see there, you've got the child lock on. And to remove...
Let me show you how it's done. Move. Give me the camera. Actually, how do you get rid of it? How do you get it off?
And to remove the child lock, you have to hold them two buttons.
How you activate the child lock is you press down these temperature and spin button for 3 seconds. And how to take it off is you press them down for 3 seconds again. Voila.
Fantastic, she's done it. She's actually took it off. So now I can press play to run the drain and spin cycle.